Hey, future makers, do you feel frustrated seeing all the plastic waste polluting our planet? Don't worry, together, we can make a difference. Let's explore how you can start a plastic-free challenge in your community and inspire others to join you. Hey there, welcome to this channel where we learn how to make a positive impact on the planet through fun DIY projects, upcycling, and eco-friendly experiments. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more awesome content. You know what they say, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. That's exactly how you can begin your plastic-free challenge. The first step towards a successful plastic-free challenge is to find allies. When setting goals for your plastic-free challenge, it's essential to keep them simple and achievable. Start small so that everyone, regardless of their age or physical abilities, can participate easily. Some examples of achievable goals include saying no to single-use plastic bags, bringing your own water bottle instead of buying disposable ones, switching to reusable containers for food, and avoiding individually wrapped snacks. While the primary goal is to reduce plastic waste, recognizing achievements can significantly boost morale and keep people motivated. At the end of the set period, compile data on the amount of plastic waste reduced or the number of trees planted by participants. Organize a community event to showcase these accomplishments and thank everyone for their participation. Gather data on the amount of plastic waste reduced, trees planted, or other positive environmental impacts made during the challenge. By following the 5 steps outlined in this video, you can set your community on the path to reducing plastic waste and living a greener, more sustainable life. Remember, even small changes like switching to reusable bags or bottles can make a significant difference when done collectively. So gather your neighbors, friends, and community leaders, set achievable goals, offer support, and celebrate successes. Together, you can create a healthier planet for present and future generations. Organize a community event to share these results, recognize outstanding contributions, and discuss lessons learned. Encourage participants to continue reducing their plastic footprint even after the challenge ends. Provide resources and information on where to buy eco-friendly products, how to recycle properly, or how to compost. By emphasizing the long-term benefits of reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainable practices, you can inspire people to make lasting changes in their daily lives. You can use this event to share stories, recognize outstanding contributions, and discuss the broader impact of the challenge on the community and the environment. This celebratory approach not only acknowledges the hard work of the participants, but also reinforces the positive outcomes of the challenge, making people feel proud and inspired to continue reducing their plastic footprint. One way to do this is by creating a public platform for participants to share their progress. Throughout the challenge, it's important to keep the momentum going and inspire people to keep reducing their plastic usage. One way to achieve this is by encouraging participants to document their journey. Ask them to keep track of their progress, whether it's in a journal, on a blog, or through social media posts. By sharing their experiences, participants can inspire others and build a sense of community around the plastic-free challenge. For instance, someone who successfully switched to reusable menstrual products might share their experience, while another person might post a photo of their zero-waste grocery haul. This practice not only allows people to connect with others who share similar goals, but also encourages transparency and accountability. Participants can hold each other accountable for the goals they set and learn from one another's successes and challenges. Moreover, it's important to acknowledge and celebrate the achievements of participants throughout the challenge. Recognize those who have made significant progress or tried something new and reward them with small incentives like discounts on eco-friendly products from local businesses. These rewards can be a great way to show appreciation and keep participants motivated. This could be a social media page, a community notice board, or a blog. Encouraging participants to share their experiences, tips, and challenges they face can inspire others and foster a sense of community. For instance, someone who successfully switched to reusable containers might share their experience, while another person might post a photo of their sorted recycling pile. Celebrating successes publicly can motivate people to maintain their efforts and push themselves to try new things. Moreover, offering small incentives like discounts on eco-friendly products from local businesses can go a long way in encouraging participation. These rewards don't have to be expensive. They simply need to be meaningful and representative of the shared goal of reducing plastic waste. By setting realistic goals, you'll ensure that participants stay motivated and don't get overwhelmed. As the challenge progresses, you can work towards more ambitious goals, such as reducing the use of plastic straws, eliminating plastic cutlery, or minimizing the use of plastic packaging. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up to a big difference. Talk to your neighbors, friends, and local community groups. This could include providing alternatives to single-use plastics, such as cloth bags, bamboo toothbrushes, or refillable soap bottles. One way to achieve this is by introducing a friendly competitive aspect. Divide participants into teams and award points for achieving specific goals. For example, a team that manages to collect the most recyclable materials or the team that posts the most creative plastic-free ideas can earn points. At the end of the challenge, the team with the most points can win a small prize, such as a selection of eco-friendly products. These prizes can be donated or sponsored by local businesses that support the initiative. Additionally, you can organize group activities like nature walks or workshops on topics such as composting or DIY reusable products. By infusing fun challenges and activities into the plastic-free challenge, you can boost engagement, encourage friendly competition, and create a sense of community among the participants. You can also share tips on how to make these alternatives work in everyday situations. For instance, teach people how to use cloth bags while grocery shopping or explain the benefits of carrying a reusable water bottle. To make it easier, you can organize a swap event where people can bring their single-use plastic items and exchange them for eco-friendly options. This interactive approach can help people understand the practical aspects of reducing plastic consumption and encourage them to embrace the challenge enthusiastically. Share your idea and invite them to join you on this journey. You can also use social media platforms or community notice boards to spread the word and gauge interest. Remember, the more people you involve, the greater the impact of your challenge. Host an introductory meeting to discuss your plans and address any questions or concerns people might have. At this meeting, you can explain the purpose of the challenge, the goals you want to achieve, and how participation works. It's also a great opportunity to build excitement and get people enthusiastic about the challenge ahead. One step at a time, one community member at a time. It pollutes our land and water, harms wildlife, and takes hundreds of years to decompose. By starting a plastic-free challenge, you're not just reducing waste, but also raising awareness about the harmful effects of plastic pollution. Moreover, it is an excellent opportunity to promote sustainable living and inspire others to make positive changes in their daily lives. Imagine a community where plastic waste is minimal, where every resident is conscious about their choices, and where the environment is healthier because of everyone's collective action. This dream can become a reality with your initiative. In this video, we will be discussing 5 steps you can take to initiate a successful plastic-free challenge in your community. But before we delve into these steps, let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of reducing plastic usage. Plastic pollution has become one of the biggest threats to our environment. Now let's dive into our first step, which is to gather support and spread awareness. Once you've got everyone on board, it's time to set some clear goals. To help participants reach your goals, it's important to provide them with the necessary tools and information. To make your plastic-free challenge both engaging and effective, consider incorporating fun elements to keep participants motivated throughout the challenge. Throughout the challenge, it's crucial to acknowledge and reward participants for their efforts. It's also essential to celebrate the collective achievements of the challenge. The 5th and final step is to share progress and inspire others. As the plastic-free challenge comes to an end, it's vital to assess its impact and celebrate the collective achievements. Starting a plastic-free challenge in your community is a fantastic way to make a positive impact on the environment while fostering a sense of community and inspiring others to adopt sustainable practices.